Hello, I'm going to walk you through my first assignment. Here is the game, my version of Pong. Here it is playing. Well, I added the option that when we press 1 and 2, we get AI players for each of the players, and I can turn it on or turn it off pressing the numbers. Like here, I'm using W and S to control the first player, but if I press number 1, it gets automated. Now I'll walk you through the code. First of all, I added a property on the init function of paddle, and I have an IA variable which is set to false by default. Then on our main file, in the update here, I added first of all check on the property if it's false, and if it's false, the AI property, then it will be controlled as in the lecture, and if not, if the AI option is true, then I'll check if the ball is within the last 5 pixels or below the last 5 pixels of the paddle, and then it will start moving. But if it's aligned, that movement will be null. I made that change because if else the paddle will start moving and never stop. I also added a code to check whether the ball was going left or right, so that the paddles will only move when it's their turn to play. That makes that the two paddles can move at the same time and make the same movement all times. I also added some in key pressed, what happens if I press 1 or press 2, and I changed the property of AI. And then I have the draw function. Here are 2 new functions: display AI player 1 and 2, which are right here below, and it displays those AI messages you see up here.